What are we talking about?
Okay, well, you know, like a lot about video, so it has to be punchy. I want to talk about the benefits of video.
LinkedIn video. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
And we'll see what happens. Okay. So this video is going to be called my first LinkedIn video.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah. That's fine. That's fine. Look, we want to get started. So today's the first day. So Nat wanted. Oh, we'll quickly give our introduction.
Yeah, so Nat and Jag, this is my first LinkedIn video. Jag, my buddy here, he's done loads of videos on YouTube, like he's the content master, he loves adding value, and on Facebook and all that sort of stuff, he's done Facebook Live, you name it. And he's got a pretty cool camera, so I've invited him to join me, and we're gonna talk about the benefits of LinkedIn video. I've noticed some trends on LinkedIn, there's updates are getting more popular, and I can see the video is gonna be a big player. There's still got a long way to go, but what are some of the cool things about video as opposed to like text or like articles and stuff like that? What would you say, Jack?
One of the biggest things surprises me that it took us LinkedIn way too long to get into the party. Right?
Yeah.
Way too long. It's every other platform is way too far ahead from this. But LinkedIn, that's good that you started it now. But one of the biggest advantage I would say is just you can actually see the real people. Blogs are you can actually get it written by somebody else overseas. They've been writing it. You have a content writer who's doing the work on your behalf. But videos are you, real people. We're talking to the real people.
You're such a natural in front of the camera, man. I'm not actually as used to it as you are. So it's like, you know, but it's so authentic. Like it's real. You can't really put on a show.
It is. Look, I love this. This camera, the way you speak to the people, this is how you're going to see real people. People have been hiding behind their computers or their desk for a long time, way too long. And I know that LinkedIn hasn't accepted it. I know that people are like yourself, not accepting it at the moment, but learn to accept it. You know, this is here to stay. I think people are doing it way more than what we did in the past. It's like coming to the TV from radio. People didn't like it in the beginning, but you got to accept it, right? This is a change.
And like LinkedIn it's in a business context, but it's a social media site, right?
It is.
And so like it's about people connecting with people, and you can't do too much with just written content. Like with video, it's a bit more engaging, I suppose. Yeah. I think it's going to be big for the platform. And by the way, there's been a lot more usage of LinkedIn by its members. Like the number of active members among like the members overall has increased a huge amount in the last year. I would go as far as saying like LinkedIn has become cool again.
Yeah, look, I certainly think that LinkedIn certainly has a long way to go where the other platforms have done it. But it's good. It started to get new things. So people started to accept it. There's still negativity out there. People still don't like certain things. You know, they think that it's their backyard. You shouldn't do certain things on LinkedIn. But it's doing well, right?
So like, because you've like done video on YouTube and Facebook and stuff, and like I've got to move into LinkedIn, you know, LinkedIn video. What would be like a good goal or a good like target for me to do, you know, videos, you know, with guests or with you? Like, how often do you think I should be posting videos on LinkedIn?
Look, I think it's the sort of people at the moment haven't accepted it as good as the other platforms. I would actually say, for me who love videos, who love podcasts, who love these kind of things, I would say actually start working on once in a week. You know, once a week you have the interviews with other people, interviews with other influencers within LinkedIn space, so that people get to know other people in who's there. So start speaking to other people and start sharing your content using LinkedIn. Yeah,
cool. So I'm going to bring in the social media marketing news direct to LinkedIn. Like if there's anything specific that you want me to talk about, drop it in the comments and I'll cover it. It's very early on in the process, I guess. If I can like encourage or like inspire some other people to drop some videos, sure you can't be worse in front of the camera than I am on the spot right now, and hopefully I get better in the next one.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, that's video number 1. Done.
Pete. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys. That was good.
All right, good. Cool stuff.
So,
I'll pause it for you so that you can actually...
So that was perfect.